thrilling to watch the kids actually do what we've been like pushing forward the last 2 weeks. I'm super glad to see them have fun. What is even better is the parents to come and watch the kids. I love seeing parents come and support their kids and seeing what we've done to help their school.
There you go. Get your lassos out. Show me your lassos. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up.
Good job. A lot of kids these days, I feel like, don't really see it a lot for some reason, and I feel like a program like this really helps kids learn leadership values. Like, we teach kids about integrity, we teach kids about energizing their friends, keeping their friends happy, and owning responsibility and things like that. And so I really feel like kids who maybe don't get it at home can get it in school.
Hey, he's our first one done.
So fast. Oh my gosh, he's really fast.
All right, you guys are moving.
Go, 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 go.
Y'all gotta finish all your laps before you get on the ice. Y'all got 10 minutes left. Nine. Go. Let her beat you. You're letting her beat you. She's gonna catch you. 5 more minutes.
You're almost done.
Almost done. Woo! Keep it up. You're all done. High five.
Good job. Kids come up and run and give me a hug. They give me hugs every single day, but even just a fun run, they come up and give me hugs, and they're like, I'm gonna get this, or I got this, or somebody donated this to me, and they're just super happy to be involved with the program, and it just makes me really happy to see them happy.
We love it. We love it. Love the kids. That's all for the kids. How's that Kona Ice, guys?
I don't win. It moved too. It made purple. My cup is having purple inside of it, but I got a blue cup. You got a green cup.
All right. Come closer. I'm sure y'all want.
I got all 7.